Well, from the recycling bin to a new cycle of life.
Every day, hundreds of tons of recyclables in our area are tossed out and ready to be reincarnated. News 8's Marcella Lee takes you on this journey from refuse to rebirth.
Ever wonder what happens to your recyclables after you toss them into the blue bin? What used to hold my soda could end up under the hood of my car.
From the curbside, it's then carted off and then comes here.
The next stop on this journey, a facility like this one, where all of the recyclables are separated and sorted by machine and by hand into paper, plastic, glass, and metal.
A dirty and potentially dangerous job. Workers wear masks, gloves, and safety goggles as they sort through everything from discarded cardboard to broken glass. More than 500 tons of recyclables are processed at the sorting facility in Kearny Mesa every day. Paper and cardboard goes into an enormous combine machine, where it comes out the other end as tightly packaged bales. The other materials go through a similar process, cleaned off, crushed down, bundled up, and prepared to ship out for recycling. From San Diego, most recyclables are then trucked north, ending up here at the Port of Long Beach, where they are loaded into cargo ships like this, bound for China and other South Pacific countries where the cost of recycling is much cheaper. What remains behind is trucked to recycling centers in California and throughout the country.
It comes in here first.
Like Thorock Metals in Compton.
We just received a new load of scrap this morning,
which takes in scrap aluminum metal, 70,000 pounds of it every day. From cans to car parts, pots and pans to pie tins, even barbecues and lawn chairs.
We're essentially producing new parts from old. And this recycling process, particularly with aluminum, is almost exactly circular.
A process that requires almost 1,300 degrees of heat as the scrap metal literally melts into liquid form.
These aluminum ingots, it's our finished product.
At the other end, the molten metal is then molded into these 17-pound bars, ready to be reused.
We're actually conserving the primary resources of our planet over here.
And just blocks away at Rangers Die Casting, the same aluminum ingots are liquefied once again, where this day they're being turned into fan clutches. 10,000 of them for auto engines.
If you want it, we'll make it for you. It's a mechanical hinge.
Recycled aluminum at this one plant is also used to make hundreds of different metal parts for everything from autos to aerospace, gardens to the golf course. And any leftover metal from this die casting process does not go to waste.
It's recycled and comes right back to us, and we'll make parts tomorrow.
So that can I recycled could become part of my car. And from here, can be reused over and over, as long as we all do our part to recycle. Marcella Lee, News 8.
And tonight on News 8 at 11, still confused about what goes into the blue bin and what still needs to be trashed? We'll break it down for you and tell you about a new recycling law that will affect thousands of San Diegans.
Now, your exclusive microclimate weather.